You searched how to buy shares of Creative Global Technology Holdings Ltd. Creative Global Technology Holdings Ltd. is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CGTL, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CGTL to find the listing. Select the matching result to ensure you locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart for context. Confirm the page is for Creative Global Technology Holdings Ltd. before proceeding. To place an order, choose Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in the portfolio view. A link to eToro with step details is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.